Hello everyone, I have bought Philips shaver i9000 Prestige Ultra and now I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what's inside. First, here is instruction. You can download some app and use it. Then it looks like some cleaning cartridge, USB port, it's trimmer, this is, I think it's charger. You connect it here and charge it standing. This is weird. I think it's for cleaning, also for cleaning the shaver. And here's big box. The main difference between the most expensive one and simple i9000 is the box, the charger, and I think this also. Nice box. You can also put charger, I think, here for total fit. And here is the shaver itself. You can connect this here. I think the trimmer. It shows you the battery. And to charge it, you just put it like here, and connect it to the outlet. Thank you.